Okay, let them give some time. The idea was creating workable concepts, and my idea was, okay, how can I create a workable concept? Who is a part of a workable concept? It's a designer, it's technical people, health and safety guys like me. So from that viewpoint on, I tried to bring you some lecture, and brought some drawings and a nice picture of an actual project I did back in 2016. And it would be nice if we have that presentation. Well, making a presentation, creating concepts. Here we go, okay. Subtitled with a look at the show from a creative point of view on how concepts come alive in the event and technical production sector. And next. So, usually creativity comes first. It's always somebody has an idea. In this presentation, it's about how to give a punch to an international conference, or better to the opening session of an international conference. That's where it all started. The claim of this conference was connecting communities, reinvent standardization. It was the World Congress of the IEC, which is the world's largest standardization organization on electrics. You know, power hertz everywhere in the world the same. So, the focus of the conference was reinvention. Well, give it to an artist. Reinvention. Hey, we want to make something about reinvention. Think about it. And you give this to an artist, he goes really, really crazy. He comes up with really crazy ideas, but that's the thing, crazy ideas. And it's our job as technical people, and also my job as a health and safety side, to make it workable. Not like, we can't do it, it may be too dangerous or too stupid. No, nothing is stupid. Just let it come alive and make it possible. So, showing you the setup, I don't have a laser pointer here, but that's a layout of the Frankfurt Festhalle, the most beautiful venue in Germany, in Frankfurt, and that's the layout for this conference, for the evening. Right in the center, where I marked it red, that is where this flying stage, what we will talk about, should have happened. And all the rest will be a banquet for the second part of the evening. Sectional view, that's the Frankfurt Festhalle, and right there in the middle, flying stage. How can we do it? A flying stage. If you think about everything, what comes now to your mind, how can we do that workable? That was the whole point we had to talk about and think about. Luckily, my customer was the agency. And this agency was very well aware that everybody should work together. Everybody, not only the artist, and then, here's a concept, make it now. This agency was really like, okay, we need technical guys, health and safety guys, creators, designers, everybody on board to make it happen. So, the idea was a round stage, fly in the middle of the round hall for the opening session, opening speeches. The stage should have flown on the same height as the spectators not on the ground, but in about 7 meters height, at the same height as a balcony. There, on top of the stage, the 4 top directors of this worldwide international organization should sit, and some other people. Surely should have been designed as light as possible. Wow, flying stage, 8 meters high, make it as light as possible. So, questions, surely, always the same. How are we going to do it? With what materials are we going to do it? And what about structural safety? Top directors, liability, you don't want bad press, so structural safety. And then also, what do we do with lighting and audio? Those were the first ideas. That's original renderings from the first ideas, how it can look or how it should look. So then it went into the construction phase, and we had a very good booth builder, one of the top booth builders, in Germany who invented this thing. I mean, pretty basic material. We had a circular truss, we had truss sections in the middle, you had pipes on top of it, and then in order to make the decking, you use, well, it's roof builders, timbers, and plywood. Make that as light as possible. And then that was hung from 4 slow-moving C1 motors, moving really, really slow and very, very stable and controlled, electronically controlled in the speed. One of the drawings, this is one of the original drawings, how it can look like people walking around. Then you had a guardrail. I mean, sure, guardrail is mandatory. Doesn't matter what the designer wants. In fact, you need a guardrail. It's common sense, and there is regulation on that in Germany, which I could show them. Look, this is the regulation. You got to do something about it. And also, I mean, if you think about a stage in 8 meters height, how do we evacuate people? Those were the main concerns. I mean, evacuate in case of an incident, maybe heart attack on the stage, or a fire breaking out, or even a power loss. We had to think about how do we get those people off there. Those were all the main concerns we had to talk about. And then you see the guardrail, the original drawing there, the guardrail was really, really close to the edge. So yeah, how do people get on and off? How would those people feel when the platform actually moves? Because the intention was that the people would start at the bottom position. So they got on the stage moves up. I mean, think about it. I mean, maybe not a problem for you, but for some top-notch type directors, aged, well, 55, 60, 65 or so, and then all of a sudden they find themselves on a carousel, on a fun ride to them. And then the other question came up, okay, can and should people move around on that platform? Should they move around? Should they not? They better sit there down. So then how will the movement be? Will it be slow enough and stable enough, or will it be like some shaky things? And yeah, what happened in the case of power cut? Those were all the concerns we had to think about. Okay, sure, but then safety is a good thing, but in the end, the designer wants this guardrail to be, well, invisible as possible. So we had to have some discussions. I wanted a guardrail 1.10 meters high, which is our regulation. You have to have it 1.10 meters high. And you need not only a handrail, you also need a knee rail. I mean, imagine somebody is stumbling and then it falls through them. So you need to have a knee rail somehow. Okay, so you had discussions, how can we do it, do a risk assessment, what's possible, and then found out, okay, I go off my 1.10 meters, you can do it 90 centimeters high, but please have it 1 meter from the edge. And then also we found out that if we do another 1 meter from the guardrail up until the seating, well actually the seating was, then it was enough safety and it looked nicely enough. And also I said, okay, I want my pipe as a handrail, but we can do the knee stuff with cable wire to make it invisible as possible. Main points for the show: access to the platform was from the ground position via a little gate in the guardrail. It was all manufactured just for this event by the booth builders. We had little steps for people to get on it, because in the end it was from the bottom it was like this high, so you needed some steps to it to access it. Then we had then all persons were to be seated when the platform moves. On the platform we had 4 of these chair people, 4 of the chairpersons, 1 facilitator, 1 cameraman, and 1 technician. And yeah, people to be seated all times. That's what we agreed on. You got to be sitting all the time, no moving around. Okay, evacuation process. That was an interesting thing. Officially, you need 2 evacuation routes. Haha, 2 evacuation routes from a flying platform 7 meters high. How do we do it? Okay, first evacuation route. We constructed with a mobile elevator working platform hidden somewhere underneath the balcony. So in case something would happen, there was an operator in this working platform who could drive actually to the little gate in the guardrail. And our number 2 evacuation route was a ladder hidden underneath the deck under a hatch, nicely covered. Nobody could see that. So in case of an evacuation, the technician could go there, open the hatch, let a ladder down, and then also there was a full body harness, a safety harness, and a roller safety stored where we could attach people who might have evacuated from there. Yeah, and also this technician was also a fully trained rescue from heights person. So this guy actually knew what he was doing. Bring it to life. We had some pre-assembly done at the constructor's side, at the booth builders. The structural safety was signed off by an appointed structural engineer, fit in entertainment technology. We have some of those. We are saying we need structural engineers specialized in the entertainment industry, not just structural engineers. They don't understand our business. So it's about, I think, 20 or 30 structural engineers in Germany actually appointed to be able to assess and sign off entertainment industry stuff. Also, I did risk assessments and method statements on how we could do it. I wrote a short induction for the riders on the platform. Everybody was inducted. Everybody had to listen to the facilitator during the induction and signing off. And then we did some rehearsals on site. And that's the final picture how it looked. That's a picture done by me during the rehearsals. So yeah, I mean, I was one of the guys doing the rehearsals. I stepped on that because I wanted to find out how it actually was, and it was pretty smooth. It didn't do a lot of shaking. Everybody was happy in the end, and it was a very, very big success to this organization, to all the guests coming from all over the world, and also surely for us technical people, everybody working with that. It was a real big success, and we were really, really happy. It went into some magazine from our industry as a role model on how everybody can work together to create a workable concept, to bring a designer's idea to a proper, wonderful life. Talk about it. Not just, okay, I'm a designer, you can't talk to me, and oh, I'm a technical guy, I'm always coming late and last. No, just start as early in this designing process as you can. Once the idea appears, talk to your suppliers, talk to your people who know the stuff, talk to your structural people, to your constructors, to your health and safety guys, and seek for advice. And then you see, it's really nice. It was a nice thing which we did. So yeah, everybody was happy. Lots of attention from the press, and it's one of those events you definitely will talk about in the future around the campfire, telling your children and their children later on around Christmas time. And it was actually really a role model. It was really, really good to see how it all can work. So yeah, and creating workable concepts in terms of keeping the time. I'm done with my presentation.